Some dogs like to bulldoze their way through the crate door as soon as you unlatch it. Let's teach them to wait politely to be released instead. Stand near the crate. If the dog is barking, spinning, or pawing at the door, wait until this stops. Then open the door just a small amount. This way, if the dog even thinks about trying to dash through, it's easy to close the door quickly to prevent an escape. In this scene, Virginia uses her foot near the bottom of the door to prevent Marilyn from bulldozing her way out again. Each time Marilyn holds herself back when the door is opened, Virginia gives her a treat inside the crate, then closes the door again. Many quick training reps can be accomplished this way. If Virginia gave Marilyn permission to exit the crate at each rep, the training session would have stretched out much longer. As Marilyn's self-control increases, Virginia is able to gradually open the door further before reinforcing her. By the end of her training sessions, you'll see Marilyn has improved dramatically. Her 2 training sessions lasted for a total of 18 minutes.